guys, today, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be spending how long I can spend in my kitchen for how long I can. Hopefully you guys are surprised. Welcome to my kitchen. Now I will show you all my supplies. Can't go too far because I'm on the charger. So let's start down here. I have a little place. Oh yeah, I have a little place. I can go against this guy with Jenga. And I have a chair blocking the layout. You can see I have a little dining room over there. So if I want to eat anything, of course I can get a lot of food. That's why I'm unlimited food here. So let's just go here. So at my thing, right over here, I have my blanket and I have my pillow. I kind of messed up my bed, It's a mattress, okay? Just don't mess around with the mattress. Yeah, I have a really weird setup. It looks like it's a lounge, but it's not. So get those brains out of here. And let me tell you what I need you to do. Subscribe for more things like this. That's really aggressive. But just subscribe. If you want more, oh yeah, I have nobody to be with. So, go against this kid. It's not a kid, it's a lion. So let the not 24 hours begin. This is going to be a long day. Okay, first thing on the chart is we're going to play some Jenga. With this friend. So let's play some Jenga. He doesn't have a chair. So I'm just going to sit in my chair right here. Wait, we have a good idea. I'm not going to stop using, remember I told you there's a chair blocking the outside wall? You see that? Yeah, that's the chair. So I'm going to use that chair for him. I know you're don't use it, but I'm going to use it. Why did it just lag on me? It's just lagged. Everything lags. Yeah, literally everything lags. Competition. Who can beat me in Jenga? We have this kid, and we have me. So I'm going to set up the Jenga. It's going to take a tiny bit. But after this, we're going to do the world's tiniest Jenga. So it'll take a lot of things to sort. Actually, who can build the best thing? I will have my Jenga box over there. I am just aggressive, and I'm going to have these Jenga blocks. Didn't make it all. Over here. Now I'm going to go for different structure because I'm a human. And I have better things in mind. Like doing this. How can you beat that? Oh, did not see that coming. Oof, I'm going to stack that. We're playing who can not knock over it. How can you beat that? Okay. Oh, you knocked it over on first round! Okay. Now these are the Jenga blocks you cannot use. This, it's really hard to get. But it's my sister and it's not fun to always win. Okay, I'm going to grab have my Jenga blocks for now. This is probably going to be a really boring video. Okay, so yeah, I don't know about that one. Okay, you really think so? Sorry, buddy. Oh! How can I beat that? Guys, comment down below, how can I beat this? How can I beat this? It's like, what? Oh. I lost in the second round. Why do I always lose? Like, come on. Okay, we're just gonna slip that in. I slip. I did. Okay, I got my 3 Jenga blocks. You can only start out 3. I looked at the rules. It's not okay. Let's just get started. You always go middle, you always go win. You go middle, you always get a win. Oh, yeah, you're gonna lose. I'm just gonna put wait. Oh, you can pick up your blocks and okay, you haven't been. Whoa. How can you beat that, buddy? Oh! Guys, how can I beat that? How can I beat that? What? I'm about to lose a game, like a stacky to a little. Look at my fingers. Look at my face, more like I'm mad. I always try to lose here. Right next to your block, buddy. Oh, you want me for a tiny piece? See how this guy goes. Oh, it connects! Oh my! He lost. You lost, buddy! You lost. Sorry, but you lost. You can take all those blocks away. Rather than just take a nap, I won. Oof, okay. Good nap. I'm kind of hungry. I got a lot of food behind me. So, I'm gonna pick up these Jenga blocks. Okay. So, I think I should eat some cookies. What do we have? We have crackers in here. Remember the goodie drawer? We have the second goodie drawer up there. Wait. I can't go to the bathroom, so that's kind of bad. But I went to the bathroom before this video. So, yeah. Let's go on and explore. My computer is really low level, but who cares? Okay. Why would people leave a perfectly good can? Pringles right here. I'm kidding. Oh yeah, the winner of the challenge will be Mirror Lion gets to keep $5. And why only $5? Just because I'm broke. Sorry, buddy. If I win, I'm sorry. Wait. I have to go to the bathroom. There is one exception. You can go to the bathroom. Guys, it's not cheating. It's not Get my juice box right here. That's it. Oh yeah, I had to stay in here for 20 minutes, so this video has to be 20 minutes long. Not 10 minutes like usual, but I'm just gonna flatten this out, drink the juice, and let it roll. Who can drink the juice fastest? I'll go first. Open. Excessive. I'm not a cheater. Guys, comment down below. How long was that? Okay. Just because I drank that, I have to go to the bathroom one more time. I'm just bad. I'm just bad. Bad. You tell me. Bad, you tell me. Bad. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Wait. That's the charger. Oh, play the music. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. What happened? Blah, blah. What happened? Okay, guys. I'm sorry, just technical difficulties while I'm technically vlogging. I'm doing a challenge. Plug in, you monster. Plug in. Okay. Finally, plug in. Technical difficulties. Wait. Oh! Ow! Ow! Ow, my foot. My foot. Okay, now we're gonna do the challenge for you, Mister. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he has a straw. Oh, he's tugging. He's tugging on the plastic. Oh, he drops the straw. He grabs the straw. Oh, he gets it plugged in. Okay, it's finished. Who do you think won? Me or Lion? Me. Okay. I'm going to do a poll. No. I'm actually gonna see who you guys. We only have 5 more minutes. I am broke. Oh, got a biscuit. Got a biscuit. Oh. No. It's really dry bread. Like there's not even butter inside. Disgusting. If you're asking why I'm climbing up here, because we have another goodie drawer up here. It's such a small goodie drawer. And you want to know what's only in this goodie drawer? Is Doritos. Wait, guys, can I make it to the table? The tear went all the way down to my legs. This video is going so weird. At least. What? Hey, what did you say? No. This early? Get out of here! You're getting out of this challenge. He just asked me, do you want to trade spots? You will go outside, I will win the challenge. And I threw him out. Oh, I bet he just wanted to leave. Oh, wait, let's do some dance-offs. If you're in the big room, do a dance-off. It can only be Fortnite dances. Electro staff. That's all I know about the electro staff. Electro swing I'm not doing. Wait, what's a good one? Beep, beep. Wait, slide house. Slide house. Slide house. Slide house. Ow! Okay, so guys, I'm gonna end this video so happily. Like this. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you at Postals. Boots. Bed Spot.